What's the meaning of cogency? Cogency. Cogency.
Cogency. Cogency. Cogency refers to the quality of being convincing or believable. It can be used to describe arguments, evidence, or claims that are strong and persuasive, and have the power to sway people's opinions or actions. A cogent argument is one that is well supported and logically sound, with clear reasoning and factual evidence. The term is often used in legal or academic contexts, where the ability to present cogent arguments is highly valued. Overall, cogency is an important quality for any persuasive communication, and is a key factor in shaping public opinion and decision-making.